You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from Spanish, meaning your fault. This is your fault. If you want to learn more useful Spanish vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few at the end of this video. So meaning your fault, or this is your fault, or the blame is on you. Culpa, which means blame or fault, or responsibility. Say culpa tuya. Tuya means yours. So the fault is yours. Culpa tuya. The opposite would be culpa mía, my fault, my bad. Culpa tuya. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.